You have to rev it high and bolt to spin. Alright, so oh, you got smoked!
Dude, alright.
8-inch lift S10.
Got the fucking thing going. You got my fucking toolbox today. Man, I swear a lot of these videos. I should knock it off. But
Shit.
Auto propane. About to paint this rear end. Jesse's just cleaning her up. Gonna look pretty mint. Got Alex over here ripping apart the GM24 turbo build.
Turbo.
Probably not.
Probably not. Fucking rebuild it, sell it. Make some
Yeah,
money.
rebuild it, sell it. It's 2.4. I mean, I don't even know this thing's rebuildable. Fucking listen to this shit. Bearing 1.
Where the fuck's the third one? Nope.
Right here. That's
That
right
which
there.
one was the worst one?
Right there. Bearing 3.
No, I can't feel that.
You can't? Here, I can get her. That's freaking mint. Bearing 4. Bearing 2 is pretty decent, so. Right now he's pulling the harmonic.
Oh,
Gonna have to get a little bolt in there, I think.
which bolt was it for this one?
Yeah. Fucking ripping this puppy apart. Maybe I'll just do a rebuild on it and find something to drop it in. I don't even know if it's rebuildable. I'll have to measure tolerances. Got our mean stereo system. So we get the compressor outside because it's annoying as hell. But we will come back when I'm shooting this thing with primer. We got the cover painted the other night. This thing has been a pain in the behind to get all cleaned up. So we will be back. Where should I even fucking start on this bitch?
Alright, so here we are, we got her nice and clean. Gonna be laying the first coat of primer.
Oh
Now
man.
we gotta go get propane.
I guess start from fucking one end to the other, huh?
And we'll start over here and fucking get her in. All of that's already looking mint.
Doesn't have to be a very heavy coat, so.
And I'll spin it around when we're done with this side.
Oh, she already looking good.
The fucking piss can.
Should heat that bitch up to it, it's way better.
What's up, guys? We got this motor disassembled. Freaking crank. There were bearings so fucked they weren't even there, but
This cylinder had no bearing.
yeah. Well,
This
there's
is
a
the main
there's a main bearing. I think she's rebuildable though. Any motor's rebuildable.
Well, it didn't have rod knock. It just had fucking crank. It had no slap. It piston slap.
No piston slap.
Yeah.
It would have rod knock.
Yeah, but was it rod knocking or was it just no
It was
bearing?
knocking.
Was that slapping the cylinder?
Well, it did
wall?
blow a hole in the side of the block, so that's good.
It
The
wasn't
walls are
slap-
clean. Here, let's spin this over and show them the inside of the walls. Get them, move the motor slightly so I can, there you go.
All
Alright,
that's
spin it
left to
around.
take off this bitch is the water pump.
Yeah.
Oh,
There's
that is
the
a
bearing.
Oh, that's that fucking
Those
main
are just
bearing.
crank. Alright, stop right there.
There's the main bearing.
You let's stop. See it, I wish I had light, but I can't see in there. Fucking, they're mint though. Factory crosshatch, that's just garbage.
So it's like a
Factory
hole
fucking
into it.
crosshatch. Yeah, I'll still hone it. Literally probably take a drill hole and do it because fuck the world, it's already mint. Doesn't even need an overbore, but so that's that. Here's the run. We got three coats of primer on it. I'm gonna sand it real quick. Give it a good sand and then prime it, seal it, and paint it. We also got some propane, so it's nice and warm in here now. But so that's what we got for you. This motor literally was so easy to take apart. That freaking head right there. We will be back with a rear end that has paint on it. What's up, guys? So we're back. We're about to paint this thing right here. You're gonna see it. We decided to also hone out these cylinders. So now they're actually mint. But I want to paint this sucker. Alright guys, that's all for tonight. Got that clear light on there. It's rear end, so it ain't gonna turn out freaking spectacular, but we got her done. Make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you, and we will see you soon.